This is how to use the PizzaMaster Timer for single use. Locate our stopwatch button located just to the right of our green baking timer. Press that once. We'll notice our baking timer goes blank and our two settings here have changed. Our top zone intensity will represent our minutes and our bottom will represent our seconds. Set that to your desired time. For this example, this will be a 1 minute, 10-second timer. To start the timer, just press that stopwatch again. You'll notice a green dot blinking, indicating that our timer is counting down. Once it reaches under a minute, it will count down in seconds until the end of the timer. In order to reset our alarm, we just press that stopwatch again. It will not turn off automatically. To start another timer, press the stopwatch again. You can see our numbers that we had set before are still there. You can change that if you want a different time. And then we just press our stopwatch again to restart. While the timer is running, if you want to cancel it during a cycle, just press and hold the stopwatch button and it cancels out. If you're repeatedly using the same timer over and over, please check out our auto timer video to see how that could help.